morning, guys, and welcome back to another spring little reset vlog. I love doing things for each season and trying to romanticize them, so that's what this video is going to be. I actually just got back from the gym. That's why my face is so red, and right now I'm about to go on a run/walk to Starbucks. I've been doing this thing for the month of March where if I want to get Starbucks or Dunkin', I have to walk or run there, and it's a really pretty, like, scenic route. So me and my boyfriend are going to do that to get our cardio in, and I'm really excited. It's really hot outside, so it is hard to run the whole distance because I'm used to running on the treadmill, not outside. So it's kind of like we're preparing ourselves for the real Florida heat that's coming in the summer. But let's go on a little spring walk and be in nature. Later now, it is 1 o'clock, and I want to do some skincare really quick before I go pick up my friend Madison. We are going to go to Target and try to find the Roller Rabbits collab. I really want to find a few things. I did get some stuff when it dropped at 3 a.m. because I stayed up working for my accounting job, so I decided to just pull the all-nighter and try and get some stuff, which I did. But some stuff like the pajamas and everything sold out online so quickly, like to the point where it was like, okay, there's no way I can get this. So I do want to go into store and see if there's any way that they have any left, and hopefully they do because I really want one. This spray is one of the best facial sprays that I use after going on a run. If I'm in the gym and I can't wash my face right away, I'll use this, but even just now I just washed my face, but I'll use it anyway because it's so refreshing and just feels so hydrating on my face. And then I always just like to put on a little bit of moisturizer, kind of like right under my eyes, because that's where my sunburn really comes in. Even though I do wear a hat, it doesn't always work the best in Florida. Face feels like somewhat refreshed. I just got this really cute new headband from Free People. I think it's so cute. I'll have it linked on my shop my, as well as this new Daily Drill shirt, which I think is adorable. My hair is honestly awful, but I'm thinking today I'm just going to put it in a slick back. I'm gonna quickly change my outfit and do my hair, and then we're going to go pick up my friend Madison and go to Target. I have to get some groceries too, so it'll be like a grocery restock and looking for the collab. I put on this really cute lemon shirt from American Eagle. I actually really like it. Am I going to sweat in it? Yes, but we're trying not to think about that. It's reminding me of spring, and I've been wanting to wear it for like weeks now, so I want to wear it before it's like actually too hot to the point where I can't wear it. And I'm just going to Target, so hopefully it's fine. And if it's not, it is what it is. I'm going to try to do like a half up, half down moment. I'm also breaking out pretty badly from running. Whenever I start running again, like intensely, my chest and my neck gets very red and breaks out pretty bad. So I'm trying my best to wear clothes that cover it a little, just because I'm a little bit insecure, if I'm being honest. I figure that's the best we're gonna get. And then I'm going to accessorize with this little clip from MEJ. It has little flowers on it. Wait, okay, so cute. Now I'm gonna use this IGK stick to help the slick back, even though it's pretty much already in place, just so we have no flyaways. And then for makeup, I'm just gonna do something like very light. When I do light makeup, especially because my cheeks are naturally red right now from my sunburn, I just do highlight. I've been loving this brush from Dibs. It's like the dual brush, and it's really good. And then we're going to do lips, of course. This is the Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss, the best. Then I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara. I love this one, but I use two of them together, and I feel like it gives me like the perfect amount of dimension and volume that I'm looking for. So I use that on my top, and then the Rare Beauty Volumizing Mascara, and I go over it, and I feel like it just makes them look very pretty and elevated. Almost forgot to do the bottoms. And then that's pretty much it. I'm just going to use this YSL Beauty perfume and do 4 little sprays. And then I'm going to use this hairspray. It's Amber Shores, and just spray a little of that in my hair because I'm going to wash my hair tonight, but I want it to smell good. I feel like this looks pretty cute. I'll show you guys the final. Here is the final. I feel like it looks pretty cute. I love this like oversized look for spring. The pants are from American Eagle. The shirt is also from American Eagle. I'm wearing some flip-flops, and then I'm pairing it with this black purse. It doesn't really match, but it is what it is. I don't feel like switching out my purse right now. And then my clip is from MEJ. That's the little outfit. We are going to go to pick up Madison and then go to Target, and hopefully we can find the Roller Rabbits collab with Target, and then also get some groceries while doing that because we need a spring grocery restock. I'm in my car now. I have the AC blasting because I fear the sweater was a bad idea. It's not like a heavy sweater, but it's 85 degrees outside and my car reads 97. I just thought it would be fine because I'm going to be in AC. It's not like I'm going to be staying outside, and I wanted to get a cute picture in this, but we might have to switch to the shirt I have underneath because it's actually so hot. But I'm going to put on a little spring playlist. I have been listening to this one on Spotify. So there's one called Spring Vibes and there's one called Spring Break. I've been switching in between them, but I think for the purpose of this video, we're going to do this one. This isn't my playlist, and the first song that pops up is The Fate of Ophelia. All like very like good songs in my opinion. So we're gonna put this on and drive to get Madison and then go to Target. We just got out of Target. They actually did have a lot of the Roller Rabbit collab for it being 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I ended up ordering some stuff online. They did have the pajamas, but not the ones I wanted, so I didn't get them. But I did get some stuff. The first thing I got is the Roller Rabbits Poppy. This is the Shirley Temple one because I've been wanting to try this, and the package is so cute. Then I got napkins because I thought they were really stinking cute. I wanted to get the luggage, but Madison told me no.
It was so expensive, and she has so much luggage.
So I compromised and got a cookie. Roller Rabbit themed. And I did some grocery shopping, not a lot. We needed vegetable oil because Chad's going to make chicken cutlets tonight. I got a Alani cherry twist, and then I always like to have snacks, so I got Pringles.
The most important one, obviously, the chicken with the bunny ears. They're so cute. Then I got 2 new pens for school because I'm in grad school. I got treats for my cat. I got the carrot to hang on my purse because I don't have like a purse charm. And then I got chocolate chips and syrup because those are just 2 things I needed. I wanted to try the Olipop cream soda.
And then she also got a matcha.
I did.
I didn't get Starbucks. I wanted to try this, and I already had it today on my run. I fear this should be over ice, but we're just gonna try it anyway. I'm scared.
I fear, if you guys hear her saying I fear all the time, that's my fault. So I apologize for that.
Smell it. I'm scared.
Oh, it smells good.
See, I think it smells bad.
Why?
Let's try it, because this would be like a good spring and beach drink.
Cheers.
It's really good. This is actually so good. Madison spilled it all over her and doesn't like it, but I would rate it like an 8 out of 10. I think on ice it would be better. Now I'm gonna try the cookie. Look at how pretty this is. We're gonna try it. I fear it's really good. I just got back from going to Target. I dropped Madison off, and now I want to do a little bit of like a refresh, not like a spring cleaning because I already did that, but more of just putting all my clothes away, starting a load of laundry and stuff like that. Chad is making us dinner right now. He's making chicken cutlets with this like pasta-roni thing that's really good. So while he does that, I'm going to do a little bit of a refresh. I'm going to start with putting away my new clothes because I got them last week, but they've been on a chair over there because I ran out of hangers. So we are going to get everything situated. I just got these from at home. I thought it was going to come in a bigger pack, but hopefully this will be enough. Doing the little reset of the apartment. I ended up doing a little wipe down of the surfaces and like restocking things like our Coke Zero, our water, our breadcrumbs, and the eggs, like putting them in the specific organization I have because that's something that makes me personally happy and makes me feel very organized. And I talk about this a lot, but when I'm in an organized and clean space, I just feel like I thrive in my routine. So I did that to set up my week and the beginning days of March, and I'm feeling very excited for the future, which is good because I feel like my spark is coming back, which I'm very happy about. But Chad is now going to start cooking and I'm going to do some editing. I'm hoping I can get this video up by tomorrow, which is Sunday. So that means we have to get to editing like right now. So we are going to sit down, sip on our little Coke Zero, and do some editing. little bit later now. Chad made chicken cutlet and like this pasta with butter and garlic, but I believe it's called pastaroni. It's really good, and the overall dinner was so good. And now I'm gonna make us dessert. I'm going to make chocolate chip cookies and also rainbow sprinkled cookies. I feel like spring is about, for me at least, baking, that like sourdough bread journey, that embracing everything whimsical and things that make you feel good and like fill your cup. And for me, baking is one of those. So I want to do some chocolate chip for my boyfriend and some sprinkled for me, because sprinkles are one of my favorite things and really remind me of that whimsical era. So we are going to go do some baking and put on a spring show while doing it. I'm not really sure what classifies as a spring show, but I'm going to look some up on TikTok and find one.
Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth I'm stopped by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing then deleting, you must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue.
It's actually the next day now. I was editing a lot last night and making cookies, and I just couldn't get the video up in time, but it is going up tomorrow, which is Monday. So there wasn't 2 videos this week, but that's not the usual. There will be 2 videos going forward. I just had a very busy week with my accounting job, but that is going to be it for this video. I had such a fun time romanticizing spring and just doing all of like the spring things. I love spring, I love summer, I love fall. Winter's okay, but I just like romanticizing every single day. It's what makes me feel like my best and kind of like feel like my sparkle is coming out, if that makes sense. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.